What's up, everybody? It's Poke Wheels, and today we are opening up the Forces of Nature GX Premium Collection box. I got this off of my local card shop. I turned in bulk and I was able to purchase this. Alright, let's see what luck we have with this box. Alright, guys, we have the box open. In the box, we have this jumbo card of the three legendaries: Tornadus, Thundurus, and Landorus. We have the two promos of Thundurus and Tornadus. We have a pin of Landorus, I believe. We have the pin of Landorus. And then we have the PTCGO code card for you guys. Here you go. You can unlock, I think these two promo cards. And then we have the 6 packs. We're gonna go in order the way I have them here. And let's get opening it. Alright, first pack we have Crimson Invasion, and we start off with a Psychic Energy, Sea of Nothingness, Hakomo, Fighting Memory, Execute, Weedle, Shadows, Buonobi, Cacnea. Reverse is a Gastrodon, and then the rare is a Groudon non-holo. Second pack, we have an evolution. We start off with a Switch, Magmar, De-Evolution Spray, Seal, Magikarp, Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly. The reverse is a Magnemite, and then our rare is, please let it be a Charizard holo, and it is not a holo. It's an Electro, non holo. Alright, let's go to the third pack. Next pack is a Sun and Moon base. We start off with a Energy, Herdier, Chatterbug, Chargerbug, Poison Barb, Shelder, Yungoos, Paris, Caterpie, Makuhita. Cutiefly is a reverse, and then our rare is a non-holo Cloyster. Very cool artwork on that one. I like that. Alright, let's go. Now we are into Forbidden Light. We have 2 packs. First one, we start with a Lightning Energy, and a Porter, Araquanid, Ultra Space, Buonobi, Froakie, Magnemite, Binacle, Flabebe, Diancie Prism Star. This is like the 4th Diancie Prism Stars I pulled. That's crazy. And then our rare is going to be a... Is that a holo? Yep, that's a holo. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. And kind of right there. It's a holo, our first holo. Alright, second to last pack. We start with a Leaf Energy, Fossil Excavation Map, Diggersby, Ultra Recon Squad, Dewpider, Fennekin, Helioptile, Flabebe, Binacle. Reverse is a Amora, and our rare is going to be a Zygarde GX. Not bad, not bad. I saw this played yesterday in my locals for the first time. So Alright, let's go. Let's go to this last pack. Alright, our last pack is going to be a Guardians Rising. We start off with a Fire Energy, Gothorita, Energy Recycle, Max Potion, Alolan Geodude, Mudbray, Alolan Sandshrew, Cottonee, Bellsprout. Sudowoodo is our reverse rare, and our rare is going to be a non-holo Victreebel. Alright, so for this opening we didn't miss out, we didn't completely lose out. We got two hits. We got the Diancie Prism Star, focus, alright, and then we got the Zygarde, both fighting. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.